Well, good day, 7th grade friends and neighbors. This is going to be how to force a new page to start, and that's called a page break. So here's chapter 1, and I'm going to scroll on down until I can find chapter 2. And here's chapter 2, and I want a whole new page to start. I don't want chapter 2 to be here on page 2. I want it to be at the top of a fresh page. Now, let me make this smaller so you can't see it very well, but I'm going to show you what a poor student will do. Here's what poor students do. They're on page 2 and they see chapter 2 and they want chapter 2 to start on a clean, fresh page. So I'm telling you, I already know what these poor students are going to do. They're going to press enter, 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 until finally they force chapter 2 to start on a clean, fresh page. Okay, do not do that. Do not do that, my friends. That is not the right way to do it. So I'm going to show you the proper way to do it. So I'm going to highlight all this enter business, and I'm going to delete it. There. So here's how to start a clean, fresh page. You can go to Insert, Break, Page Break. A page break means start a new page. And look, it says you could have done Control Enter. Control Enter would have worked a lot better. But I'm just going to click on Page Break and watch what happens. Boom. Starts its whole new page. Let's go find if we can see chapter 3. We'll scroll down and see if we can get chapter 3 down here. Oh, there it is. So I'm going to go right at the beginning of chapter 3, and I can insert a break. What kind of a break? A page break. You could have done Control Enter, you know. Hold down the Control and tap the Enter. And poof, chapter 3 now starts on its own page. That's called a manual page break because you had to do it yourself. Well, I don't want to keep scrolling down and trying to find, like, where's chapter 4? Where's chapter 4? And then just maybe I find it, maybe I don't. So I'm going to show you how to quickly find chapters. Let's make this thing bigger so somebody can see what I'm doing. There, much better. Here's chapter 4. Let's scroll up to the top and have the computer find the word chapter for us. So I'm going to start at the top, and I say, go find the word chapter for me. That way I can put in a manual page break when I find the word chapter. So I'll go over to Edit, and I want to find something. Find, it says. Okay, I'm going to click Find. It says, okay, what do you want to find? I want to find the word chapter. He says, well, one of them's right there, chapter 1. But look, it says there's 1 out of 5. So I'm going to say, okay, you found the first one. I see it's green. Okay, you found it. Good. Let's go find the next one. And the next one says chapter 2, and we've already done chapter 2. Let's go find the next one. The next one says chapter 3, and we've already done chapter 3. Let's go find the next one. So here's where it says chapter 4. I click at the beginning of chapter 4 to the left-hand side, and I'm just going to do Control Enter this time. And now chapter 4 is going to be on its own page. Let's go find the next one. I found the one I just did, so let's find the next one. And the next one is chapter 5. So I'm going to click at the beginning of chapter 5 to the left-hand side. Control Enter will start a new page. And now I've done all 5 chapters, and I'm just going to close this up with the X. And all of the chapters start on a clean, fresh page. Well, that's about all there is to it.